Hello students, to this session we will discuss about how we are going to do 2A program. This is students marks calculation form, some related application. So form design is quite simple. You will have only three labels, three text boxes and one command button. This is not a control array. Copy ಮಾಡಿ paste ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. You need to place every label separately. See, this is label 1. You could see label 1 will be there. This is label 2, label 3. No need to change names for these three labels. Name, department, total marks. No, only caption if you give enough. Then place three text box, individual text box. Okay. So first time illinda tagondu place this off, second time, and then third time, like that you place. But only thing, you need to change the name of the text box by txt name. Where you will go and change means you will go to name field. Here you will change it to txt name. By default text 1 it will show. You change it to txt name and place another label. Just from here you select and place it here. Name of this you have to select it as txd name, and one more text box you place, and name of that is going to be txtt marks. Txtt marks. Don't change the names. If you change the names, you should know to change the name in your coding also. So three text boxes I am placing. First text box name is txt name without space. Next is txtd name. Third one is txtt marks. Okay, then place a command button. Name of that command button is cmd cal, command cal, and I have made a small form, adjusted the screen like that. After designing, double click on calculate. Once you double click, you need to write entire coding inside this calculate only. Major thing is entire thing has to be written inside calculate. Most of the calculation part of the coding. Here I am declaring total and percentage. You need to calculate the, take the value of total. txt marks ali koduva total, you need to take it in a variable called total. Then you have to say, if any of the text box is empty, all fields are mandatory, you need to mention. In case if total marks is greater than 600, you need to delete that marks and you need to make that marks to set focus on the marks. So you, whatever total marks you enter, you need to give less than 600. And next year you are calculating the percentage by giving total divided by 600 into 100. I want my percentage only in 2 digit. Okay, 78.34, like that, only 2 digits. So I'm using this format number option and making it to 2 decimal places. Then our usual if statement syntax for calculating the grade. If percentage is greater than 80, then you need to put a message box, the percentage value, and also the, you need to print a message distinction. If it is greater than 60 means first class, greater than 40 means second class, greater than 35 means pass class, and otherwise fail. Okay. This coding you will type as it is given here. Then initially when we load, text name should be empty, text department should be empty, mark should be empty. For that we have given this 3 line, and text name not set focus. So till here it is coding for command button. Now write a coding for form. So how you will write means, go to form design, double click on the form. So this part you need to write only coding for form. Next, you need to write a coding for every key press. Actually, the program is here. You need to type everything in capital letter. If you type in small letter, it should not accept. For that purpose, I'm giving a validation. My key should be only between a capital A and capital Z. Okay. Same way for name, for the department, and also mark should be between 0 to 9. Instead of mark, I can't enter any other thing. So I'm checking validation. It should be 0 to 9. For this purpose, we have used these things. As per the program only, they have told us to validate the text box. So name and the department, when you enter, it should be in alphabet, capital letter. and mark should be between 0 to 9. Okay, coding part. This program design is very simple. So when we run the program, we could observe a screen coming up with only 3 fields: name, department, and total marks. See, first I'm trying to type in small letters. You could observe I am not able to type. I'm trying to type a name called Ravi. It won't type. This is what we have done in that key press. It should be between capital A to capital Z. Same way, department also, I'm typing CS. It won't print. Why? Because I'm trying to type in small letters. Now, if I type in capital letter, it will accept. So only in the text box, capital letters will be allowed. And then I'm giving department CS. Total marks, I'm giving 700. As per my condition, when I put 700, it should not calculate. So it's showing invalid data. My total mark should be less than 600. So it is removing of the mark. So when I give total marks is 459, I will get the answer like this percentage, and it will print the division in the message box. Okay, this is the output. So for this form design, you need to check the validation of the text box, and then you need to calculate. That is about this exercise. Try doing this exercise so that you will get a better idea about this. Thank you.